Hi everyone! I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you a simple two-step homemade insecticide that can help remove common pests from your plants using ingredients you probably already have at home. Step 1. Make the base solution. Take 1 liter of water in a jug. Add 1 spoon of garlic powder and 1 spoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well. As you stir, you'll notice the water starting to change color. Now strain the mixture into another jug. This removes the solid particles, leaving only the liquid extract, which is what we'll use. Step 2. Turn it into a spray. To the strained liquid, add 60 milliliters of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, any cooking oil like soybean or Sufi, and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix everything very well. Now pour the solution into a spray bottle. To use it, spray the mixture on both sides of the leaves, especially underneath, because many pests like aphids, whiteflies, and mealybugs hide there. You can also spray the stems where insects often gather. For best results, apply it early in the morning or late in the afternoon, not under strong sunlight. If your plant already has pests, spray once a day until they disappear. For prevention, spray once a week. This simple homemade spray can help keep your plants cleaner and healthier using easy household ingredients. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to subscribe for more natural gardening ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.